When you start this car, the first thing that really pulls you in is the power delivery. This NIO sedan feels strong, smooth, and confident from the very first press of the accelerator. The electric motor delivers instant horsepower without noise or vibration, and the way the power comes on feels clean and controlled. There is no delay, no gear shifting shock, just a steady and powerful push that makes the car feel alive. The horsepower is tuned for both excitement and comfort, so you feel quick acceleration when you want it, but calm and easy movement in city driving. This balance makes the car exciting for new viewers and keeps them watching because the performance feels premium yet friendly. The engine system in this NIO sedan is fully electric, which means there is no traditional fuel engine, no exhaust sound, and no harsh mechanical feel. The electric motor is very refined, and the engineering focuses on smoothness and efficiency. Acceleration feels linear, meaning the speed increases evenly without sudden jumps. This makes overtaking on highways very easy and stress-free. The motor quality also helps reduce maintenance because there are fewer moving parts compared to petrol or diesel engines. Heat management is well controlled, so the performance stays stable even during longer drives. The quiet nature of the motor also improves the cabin experience, making conversations and music more enjoyable. Talking about the body, this sedan has a clean and modern design that feels premium without being flashy. The body lines are smooth, helping the car cut through air easily, which improves efficiency and stability. The build quality feels solid, with doors that close with a confident sound, showing good material strength. The body structure is designed to absorb road imperfections, so bumps and uneven surfaces feel softer inside the cabin. The paint finish looks deep and high quality, giving the car a classy presence on the road. The sedan shape also improves balance, making the car feel planted during turns. The color options available for this NIO sedan are calm, stylish, and modern. You can find classic colors like white, black, and silver that highlight the clean design. There are also darker shades that give the car a sporty and elegant look, especially under sunlight. Some lighter tones add a futuristic feel, making the car stand out without being too loud. The colors are designed to age well, so even after years of use, the car still looks fresh and attractive. The paint quality also helps resist fading and minor scratches. Inside the car, the cabin feels spacious and thoughtfully designed. The seats are comfortable with good cushioning, supporting your back during long drives. The materials used inside feel soft to the touch, especially on areas where your hands and arms rest. The dashboard layout is simple and modern, avoiding clutter and making controls easy to reach. The steering wheel feels well balanced, neither too heavy nor too light, which improves driving confidence. The overall interior quality gives a calm and relaxing feeling, perfect for daily commuting and longer trips. The tires on this NIO sedan are designed for comfort, grip, and low road noise. They provide strong traction on both dry and slightly wet roads, helping the car stay stable during acceleration and braking. The tire quality also helps reduce vibration, so the ride feels smooth even on rough surfaces. During cornering, the tires maintain good contact with the road, making the car feel safe and controlled. They are also optimized for efficiency, helping improve driving range by reducing rolling resistance. Fuel average in an electric sedan means driving range and energy efficiency. This NIO sedan is designed to use energy wisely, allowing you to travel long distances on a single charge. City driving feels especially efficient because regenerative braking helps recover energy when slowing down. Highway driving is also stable, with consistent energy use at steady speeds. Charging options are flexible, allowing both home charging and public charging use. This efficiency makes daily use more affordable and reduces worry about frequent charging. The suspension system plays a big role in ride quality, and this car handles it very well. Small bumps are absorbed smoothly, and larger road imperfections do not disturb the cabin too much. The suspension is tuned to balance comfort and control, so the car does not feel too soft or too stiff. This makes it suitable for different road conditions, from city streets to highways. Passengers feel less fatigued during long drives because the car remains stable and composed. Lighting is another strong point of this NIO sedan. The headlights are bright and clear, providing excellent visibility at night. The light spread is even, helping the driver see the road edges clearly. Daytime running lights add a modern look and improve visibility during daytime driving. Rear lights are sharp and easy to notice, improving safety for vehicles behind. Interior lighting is soft and adjustable, creating a relaxing atmosphere inside the cabin, especially during night drives. The braking system feels strong and reliable. The brakes respond smoothly when pressed lightly and offer confident stopping power during emergency braking. Regenerative braking also helps slow the car while recharging the battery, which improves efficiency and reduces wear on traditional brake components. This system makes driving smoother, especially in traffic, because the car slows down naturally when you lift your foot off the accelerator. Technology inside the car is user-friendly and modern. The display screens are clear and easy to read, showing driving information, navigation, and entertainment options. Controls respond quickly, and the system feels smooth without lag. Voice control helps reduce distraction, allowing the driver to focus on the road. Connectivity features support daily needs like music, streaming, and navigation, making the driving experience more enjoyable. Safety features are designed to support the driver without being intrusive. The car feels aware of its surroundings, helping with lane positioning and safe distance control. These systems work quietly in the background, stepping in only when needed. This adds confidence, especially for new drivers or during long highway trips. Overall, this NIO sedan feels like a well-rounded electric car that focuses on performance, comfort, and quality. From the smooth horsepower delivery to the refined body, quiet cabin, efficient energy use, and thoughtful design, everything works together harmoniously. It feels modern, reliable, and enjoyable to drive every day. This is the kind of car that makes you appreciate electric driving and keeps you interested from the first moment you sit behind the wheel until the end of every journey. If you watch my video, like my video and subscribe my channel.